Hello everybody, it's Harry Box for the Technical Trader at thetechtrader.com. It's Tuesday the 17th of October. These are the charts of the day. Well, the market had a kind of topsy-turvy day, but all along, even when the indices were lower and they finished mixed, the underlying technicals were pretty good. Advanced declines and up-down volume held on very nicely during the course of the session. I'm optimistic. We'll see. Futures are down tonight, though. Here's a look at some of the stocks that following or that did well today and look intriguing. Charts of the day. Starting with ACMR, a semiconductor stock, which popped from 1813 to 2107, nearly 3 points, backed off to 1987. It was up 124 today, just under 7%, 2.7 million traded, but that's the biggest volume in a long time, believe it or not. I can see the stock going at 24 and 28. Up next, ACXP, which has been a monster. Literally 10 days in a row, the stock has been up, including one big spike up and pullback. But notice how that held, and now today it's moved back up again and popped $1 or 22.5%. 831,000 traded, not a lot of volume, but if this gets up, and then next target would be a retest of the high from 2 days ago, that would be about 6. And once we get through that, we're looking at 8.5, 3/4 again or more. Looking at AUGX, one of my little swings after popping and wedging, it's been moving up steadily. It's got a multi-month ascending bull coil. It broke out here and backed off, and it broke out again. So I like today's action, up 10%. Your targets are 7 and 8.5. EPIX with a big pop today. Went from 3 to 420, finished 420, high for the day, up 97 cents, 30%. 2/3 of a million traded, not a lot, but a lot for that stock. Take a look at the relative volume. Next term, the next target, 5, 5 1/4, and 6. FRO's been up, really amazing, 7 days in a row, and has taken the stock recently from 17 to 21.5. Really tight rising channel. On a long-term basis, a fantastic chart with an eventual target of 26. For solar, maybe snapping back here, stock jumped 675 or about 4.5%, but it broke out through the declining top line and closed above the 21. I'm now looking for 165 and 172. Giii broke out of a 6-week consolidation for kind of flag with a spike up of 184 or 8%. It closed near the high for the day going away, and I have it and it followed through target now 27 and then 31. METC, the coal stock, Ramaco Resources. About a month ago, I noted it broke through the declining top line with a pop. Then it formed a wedge. That wedge was exploded out today as the stock ran 276 or 28%, and the volume was 1.9 million. It's at resistance here, but a breakthrough here gets it into the mid and then high teens. Plug, one of our swing trades, platforming, but today's pop tells me it's about to go again. It looks like it. Resistance right here. We get through it. It's going to be 8 3/4 and 9.5 3/4. SYM broke through resistance today with a nice pop of a 309 or 7%. Looks to me like it's going to head back towards, I would think, a retest of that level, near-term 53.4 zone. Tupperware, after popping 3 days and pulling back for a couple on low volume, it's spiked up again but backed off. I think if we get through 270.72, we might see 3.5, 4, maybe 5.5, 6. Vrns popped out and broke out through a triple top and followed through beautifully from yesterday's gap up. Today's gain was $1.31 or 4%, not a lot, but I think we can accelerate and extend this to 36 and then 38. VSAT now up for 4 days in a row, and 7 out of 8 has taken a run from 1540 to 22.5. Broke through and closed above the declining top line and right at lateral resistance. And he followed through here, 25 and 27.5 for your targets. Let's look at some of the hot stocks at thetechtrader.com for Tuesday the 17th. This is HP signing off. Have a great evening. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Let's make some money. Bye now.